Hey, what's going on, fam? Welcome back to the FOMO channel. I'm Mr. FOMO himself. A bit of a late one today. I thought I'd just dump this one out here for you guys. It came on to me through. I should know this, by the way, because it was a comment. It was a comment. Is a comment. um, so someone in my oh god, I missed the comment actually. Epic Hero. I don't care about Epic Hero. Look, I am going to credit the person who did this to me. They sent this out in the text, and they were like, "Hey, check out Splassive." So whoever you are, thank you so much for that. I should have written it down. I will look back again, and I will credit you in one of my other videos, as I do like to credit people when the time is there. So this is one requested by you guys. This is an exact, I guess you could say, framework, copycat, whatever words you want to use, fork, I don't know. So you've heard of Drip. Drip was highly successful. It ran for around a year, and this is exactly the same. But instead of 1%, in this one here, you get 2% daily. Let me just quickly go to the white paper. But before I do that, let me jump into something called Mr. FOMO. That's me. So guys, if you haven't followed the channel, please smash the sub button. We are on a goal to get to 1,000. I would love to get there anytime soon. Would be fantastic. Just want that more. I just want that more to have that negotiation power, that I don't have in the moment. I'm still considered quite small according to everyone else. Even today, I want to read you out one of the comments from one of the guys. I know I should. This is from. I won't say the company name because that's not right. I don't want to do that. You don't have enough views to pay for it. I said I wanted some payment for the thing because I do want to get paid, and I want to put the money back into the community, which would be the ideal way to do these things. We'll just give you a referral link. That's all I can offer, and it was just, I mean, I guess I just don't have enough views, right? I mean, you guys decide yourself what's right and what isn't. I think there's a lot of work that goes into this people don't see, and some of these guys, look, they have a right. They probably have their own marketing plan, and they have a right to say that, I guess, in some way. But it hurts every single time you hear that. So it's very hard to get yeses. But with your help, hopefully I'll get there. So please smash that like, subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. You need to hit the notification bell if you want to be part of giveaways. Secondly and finally, hit me up on the Twitter as well. Please hit the follow button. Most of the latest information does come out on Twitter before it comes anywhere else. Which reminds me, the Air Network is up today, guys. I really, really like this one, so please have a look at that. I'm going to pin that to my profile as well. And the video, obviously, is right here. I'm in love with this one a lot, yeah? I mean, the way the whole system is set up and everything. But anyway, we're not here to talk about that. Let's talk about Splash. Okay, so if you guys were in the Drip network, and I'm sure some of you guys were, or some of you guys had an idea, want to get in, for me, I was priced out of the Drip network. I thought it was too expensive, and then there was the constant fall of the price, which didn't make me happy. I am in the actual Telegram group for this one here. So they do talk about everything in here. They're making an official announcement to make the liquidity. They haven't put the liquidity out yet, so that's why I have not bought into that. This is on the AV exchange, just so you guys know. So this is a message from the people. The launch is going to be great, guys. Thanks for bearing with us while we prep and make updates. So let's just wait for the liquidity to be up before that. Now, for me, it's super simple. I'm just going to ask you guys one question as the community. Now, as the community, do you want me to go into this? This is your decision. I have some AVEX there. Now, once I go into this, do I have you as a community, your support, that you guys will come and be part of my team, I guess they call it? There's 742 people. Jesus Christ, that's a lot. Yeah. 1 million. So Splash liquidity still is not there, and I won't go into the liquidities there. Once the liquidity is there, obviously I wasn't part of the pre-sale, so I missed out on that altogether. So I need to hear from you guys as a community if you guys want me to go into this, and if I do, what I'll do is, obviously you go to the well, you buy AVEX. So I have AVEX. So one AVEX is, it does not, is it not connect? I am connected, right? So look-see. Oh, I don't have any AVEX, really? I thought I had, oh, okay, wrong channel, haha. Okay, so one AVEX gives me, okay, it doesn't tell me at the moment. I mean, obviously there's no liquidity, so it can't tell me that. So that'll be that. Then I go into the tab and I deposit into the splash. Approve. I post this max, approve and deposit, and then it all starts working. Then down here, instead of the team, it's got, I'm a wave starter, so let's do the wave, guys. You're gonna do it. I'm doing a wave right now. You can't see it, obviously. Yeah. So I'm going to be a wave starter, so I need to get a wave address update. Obviously, it won't give me one. I need to, I need to look up. I can look up or current play last check-in wave starter. I mean, yeah. So that's how team viewer player use my address. So I would have this address, and it would. That's how we would start as a team. Now to do that, I guess I need someone's over here to get started, right? Current wave starter is anyone, right? So it drips down. It's just like drip, exactly the same. It drips all the way down, and everyone makes money. And usually these ones here last a very long time, as long as it's run properly. Once again, guys, none of this is financial advice. Please do your own research. This is you need to spend time researching the hell out of these ones, and also make sure that like it is your money. Please be careful with it. Don't just throw it away. Some of these projects are super high risk. This one here on a risk factor, I'd say 50 out of 100. 5 out of 10 kind of situation, because these usually last, as long as they don't get rug pulled. These ones last a very long time. So let's just jump quickly into the white paper. Now, once again, guys, I'm not paid for this. Yeah, I just want to be very clear on this. This is one that I want to do because I have some AVAX and we have a community. And let's utilize the community and see if we can come together on this one here. Or if not, let's look at which ones we can. So, the white paper. Where's the white paper? Failed to load PDF. Great, so I can't load the PDF at the moment. Okay, that's not good. Yeah, I can't load the PDF at the moment. Oh, I could before, just so you know, I did look at the PDF before. Oh, God, that sucks. Nope, doesn't work. So I guess they're still figuring out a few bugs left, right, and center. Like, again, I won't jump straight into this. I'll jump when everybody else is ready. So, guys, what it'll come down to is basically you guys stating to me, hey, we want to jump into Splash with you. Once everything's running properly, yeah, obviously. And then, of course, that includes airdrops and stuff. So the airdrops will be run by me, and I'll be giving you guys some airdrops. So price is 1 AVAX equals 2.2 Splash, I think. Whoa, that's a massive, yeah? Whew, Jesus. Let's wait it out anyway. I looked in Dex tools and I don't think it's accurate at the moment as well, so I'm just gonna wait it out a little bit more for this one just to be on top of it. Again, when I hear from you guys, if I get 20 comments that say let's jump into it, if there's 20 of you guys out there who want me to jump into it and you guys are willing to back me on this, then I'll do it. If not, I won't do it, because I think you need a big team, and I think you need to build a big team, and then the airdrops happen, then everyone becomes rich together. If we all want to do that as a team together, then great. Yeah, that's why I want to utilize this community. We all do this together. Anyway, that's all from me today, guys. Very short video. Please smash the sub button. We're on the goal to 1,000, guys. Let's get there as a team and a community, and do more things as a community together, including giveaways. Hit that the follow button, guys. Everything latest comes out of here. I'll also be doing some giveaways here in the future. That's all from me. Peace.